can. I'm melting your mouth, fucking not in your head. Give it the candy shot. I'll let you lick the lollipop. Don't you stop. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Give it to me, baby, nice and slow. Climb on top of it like you in a rodeo. You ain't never seen me sound like this before, 'cause you ain't never put it down like this before. I touched the right spot at the right time. Lights on the light, so she lucky from behind. I'm so seductive, you can see the way she whine. Her hips is slow on the floor when we grind. I know that she ain't stopping, homie, I ain't stopping. Dripping in the sweat and it's on and it's popping. Oh, I'm trying to explain, girl, the best that I can. I'm melting your mouth, not in your hand. It's a candy shop. Let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Go until you hit the spot. At the candy shop. Let you lick the lollipop. Don't you stop. Keep on going until you hit the spot. Lick it, suck it, wrap it, and fuck it. Lick it, suck it, suck it, suck it, suck it. Does it take just one? One's good. Thanks. It's a gold. Could you throw it over your shoulder if you're hot and make it cold? Do your train? Hey, look, is that your chain? About 24 inches up high, low, I let it hang. Hop out the ride, let it down, spark off the range. Is that your chain? How about the dance, spark off the range? What you watching?
You.
You. Do 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 do. Rising up. To the sky, to my test. To survive. I don't know the words.
No, you don't.
Just make a number. I'm alive. It's the eye of the tiger. It's the thrill of the fight. Rising up to the challenge of our rivals. Down in the eye of the tiger. The eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight, rising up to the challenge of our rivals. Of the tiger.
You have no idea how goofy you look right now.
Not gonna stop with the distance. Eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight, rising up to the challenge of our rivals.
If anyone at school
It's
watches these, I'm so sorry.
Can't hold that note. Of the tiger.
I'm sorry.
Oh, snap. Fizzy,
What?
you know what I see you doing?
Recording you?
I see you driving around town with the girl I love, and I'm like, F you. I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough. I'm like, F you and F you too. Since I was richer, I still be richer. And ain't that some stuff? And although there's pain in my chest, I still wish you the best. Fuck you.
I'm sorry.